Hi everyone and welcome to EduLive. So today in this video we are having the NCERT solution of your class 9 textbook, and this textbook is for CBSE board class 9th students, and the name of the textbook is Beehive, and this is for class 9th students. And in this video we are going to cover all the question answers of your textbook, and all the answers are correct and authentic. And if you think that there is any error in any answer, just make sure to comment down and we will try to help you out. So if you are enjoying our videos, just make sure to share our videos to your all friends and your classmates, and make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. You can also join our Telegram group from the link given in the description box, and follow us on Insta. And you can also just also purchase our ebooks from the Telegram group. And if you also want some other type of videos and of some other textbook solution, just comment down and we will try our best to upload them as well. So this is all about this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.